Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. Today we're going to do something a little different. You say, what's so different about Mod Podge? Well, today we're going to do it with fire. Yeah, I might sound crazy, and I've been known to be, some people tell me that, but that's okay. I found a different way to do it. So this part's going to be indoors. I am going to do a quick Mod Podge on this. I've already painted the hat and the moon. And after we get the Mod Podging done, we'll go outside for the fire. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove this. We'll figure out a different way to hang it when the time comes. This is just a Dollar Tree sign called Wicked. And these are some of the new napkins they have at the Dollar General store. I may or may not use them, but I've got it here just in case. Let's set that up there a second. I've got some of these fall looking things. I've already started to pull it loose. Like I said, don't know what I'm going to use exactly. I've got a little idea, but you know, I don't know 100%. And let me come right back. I am going to put down the black mat so it'll be easier to see. And although this is a nice turkey, I don't plan on using the turkey. I'm going to be using this right here. So like I said, take off all the backing of all your napkins. Some have 3 plies, some have 2. The ones I got today are just 2 ply, the thing, and then the back. I'm just going to be working on this little at a time. This will be enough for the broom. And I think I'll use this for the broom handle. That'll be cool. Okay, we've got everything laid out the way we're going to Mod Podge it on. And I'll probably just silence this and go for it and then speed it up and so we can get outside. I'm just using Dollar Tree Mod Podge, and you don't want to put too much of this down on the wood, and you don't want to put too little. You just want to make sure you got a coating on it and then stick it down, and it's going to look about as bad as this when we go outside, but here we go. Now we're going to go outside and start a fire. Here we go. Okay, we're outside. We got our bucket of water and we're fixing to try this. Okay, we're going to hold it by the witch's hat because it doesn't have any Mod Podge on it. And we're gonna light her up. Let's see what happens. Ah! Just joking. Okay, guys, back to being serious. Okay, we're gonna light it up now. Please be careful. This is fire. I recommend you do it outside only. And like I said, this is how it looks like on the back. And you light it and just watch how cool this is. This will work better. It's a little windy out here, but if I love the way it does that. My lighter don't want to work. Like I said, don't recommend this for people that are afraid of fire. I don't recommend this for children. You can dust that off. And I like the burnt look. I have issues with my hands, so it's hard even with these lighters. I should have brought matches. But anyway, guys, isn't that cool? And it Mod Podges it real well. I will touch up the bat and everything, and when I get back upstairs, I'll let y'all see the finished product. Okay, guys, I messed up my moon, burn it, so I tried to paint me a little bat instead. Looks more like a owl with a broken wing, but it's a bat. What I think I will do is, when I'm all done, probably give it a coat of Mod Podge just to seal everything in. But I don't think it turned out too bad. What I do want to do though is try this pretty purple glitter glue on the hat a little bit. So I hope I don't mess it up. Just like give it a little shine. So that is my little project. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you try it, be safe. Go outside, get you a bucket of water just in case there is an accident, because we don't want no accidents. And have fun. Be creative. And I hope you have a wonderful, safe day. Blessed be all. Bye.